Welcome to ShopVue. For over 3 decades, we've been helping manufacturers work more effectively with factory-friendly software. This demonstration will give you a quick overview of ShopVue's most robust MES capabilities. Designed with scalability in mind, ShopVue is appropriate for an advanced digital manufacturer, a small job shop, and everything in between. Direct Machine Interface collects data directly from the machine PLC or electronics to report on machine performance. Operators can also report machine setups, runs, and classify downtime through the operator console. ShopVue calculates labor and machine time distinctly, even when multiple employees tend the same machine, or when one employee tends many machines. This data provides invaluable real-time OEE and machine utilization metrics, as well as historical performance reports. Here, we see wall-mounted dashboards showing up-to-the-minute state, yield, and scrap rates for all machines in the department. When you're ready to speak with an expert, please give us a call.